Hey guys, welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I bring you an unboxing of this 1/18 scale Harley Davidson Ford F150 made by Ertl. I got this model from eBay for around $38. I think it's a really nice price. This is the model kit version, which tends to go for a little more money, say, than the pre-built one, but I think they both go for some pretty good money usually. Let's go ahead and I guess we can take it out of its box. I'm going to stand up for this one. It's a little tall of a box. And I bought this model not with 100% certainty that it would be fully complete. It was advertised as is, which I can understand because some people don't know enough about these to know if they have all the parts. So that's partially why I'm making the video, just to make sure. The seller, of course, this is covered by eBay money back guaranteed, and then also the seller has a 60-day return policy, so that's also very nice. So I guess, oh my gosh, I tape this really well. So we'll see. Hopefully, I will. Well, actually, I'm going to be doing I'll be doing a couple YouTube shorts, or actually maybe just one YouTube short, edited with it of me building it, because I'm not going to be building it like right now. Just going to go ahead and throw that there. We learned the hard way with the Mercedes S-Class unboxing, if some of y'all remember that. Everything went everywhere, and it was not a great thing. Well, there it is before I take it out. It's an open box. Yes. So, it's covered in... Oh. Covered in tape. Ooh. That's rough. Okay, so... okay, she's a little rough. Yeah, she's a little rough, but this is a good price. If it has all the parts, I won't care that much. That's it. I'll throw those down here. And we'll take this, set it up here. So she's a little rough. Well, she's pretty rough, really. I don't really want to mess with taking this off because it's probably gonna, yep, it's gonna do that. So, that's really annoying. Okay. Apart from that, the box is in decent condition. I don't know why this is right here. Whatever, I'll mess with that later. But first of all, let's try to take it out of its box, possibly, without tearing anything out. I'm going to slow down, because I want to be extra careful with this one right here. And, like, tape the whole thing together. Oh, that's just wonderful. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pretend like that... Okay. So there'll also be a short after me building it, after realizing how rough this box is, of me fixing it. So look forward to that one as well. I don't know what in the heck happened to this thing, to be honest with you. But let's get everything out of here. It's nice of them. They did put everything back into either a plastic bag or something, so that's nice. And I just threw something somewhere. Okay. Well, here's a look. Got stuff in paper bags, and we have the metal body right here. And I think just fell. Probably shouldn't have made this video outside. Let me set y'all down real quick. Let me reevaluate everything. Okay. They put it in paper bags and everything's pretty light, so it's kind of all going around everywhere. So let me get stuff situated, which should take nothing but a second. Okay. Okay, so here's the model kit. That's the box. Like I said, I'll be fixing that thing up. And we have a bag full of parts here. And here we have all 4 wheels. Here we go. The seats, it looks like. I think this model is complete. I dropped 2 pieces down here. So we'll go ahead and pick these up. And we'll throw those in my pocket. Yeah, so... And here is the body right there. Harley Davidson. I'll take the body out of its box to show you all. So there it is. So I'll be making a short, like I said, about showing you me building it, and hopefully it has all the pieces with it. So there it is. So I'm pretty satisfied with the purchase. Maybe a little disappointed with the box, but you know, I'll get it to whatever condition I can get it to. You know, I'm gonna do the best I can, and we'll deal with whatever it is. So yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the build of this model. I'm very excited for this model. Hopefully we can get everything built together, put together and assembled like it should be. And then there'll be a couple videos on this. So this will be one of them. I'll be doing a build of this one with the shorts, and also do a video of the fixing of the box as well. So a couple videos that I got out of this model. So very nice, and we'll get back to this, and you know, whenever when this comes out, you'll probably see the short within that same day or the next day. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out in the world, guys, and put in the comments down below what you think of the price. You know, I got it for $40. I don't know if that's a great price. I think it's a pretty good deal. So put in the comments down below what your opinion is on this model, and we'll see what it all comes together, if we're missing anything or anything like that. So we'll see what is to come in the future. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. GP out.